Welcome to Toughcover Australia. Each shelter kit is packed according to a detailed parts list and installation manual, ensuring every component is organized, counted, and ready for assembly. Our hot-dip galvanized steel frame components are carefully arranged and secured inside steel crates for safe international transport and efficient unloading on site. From our no-weld lock clamp system to base plates and structural connectors, every installation component is included in the crate. No missing parts, no guesswork. Bolts, ropes, ratchets, and installation accessories are individually packed and labeled, making on-site installation faster and easier. Every Toughcover shelter kit is factory packed with care, fully organized, and prepared for safe international transport. From the galvanized steel frame to every bolt, rope, and installation accessory, each component is checked, labeled, and packed for efficient on-site assembly. Shipped directly to our Melbourne warehouse, Toughcover delivers reliable container shelter solutions to customers across Australia, factory direct, with no middleman markup.